Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Let's dive right into the updates for October. Let's get started. Number 1. An amazing new feature called Storybook has been added to Gemini. You really have to try this. It has powerful applications, especially for business. For example, you could turn your company's history or founding story into a picture book using Storybook. It would be a uniquely compelling piece of content to share with candidates during recruitment to convey your company's appeal. Honestly, the quality of the generated illustration is very high. It even reads a story aloud for you. This is incredible. Number 2. Google Docs. Now, when you open a new document, you can immediately use Gemini's writing assistant feature. Just type what you want, like write a blog post or suggest an agenda for a meeting, and it will instantly create a draft for you. What's really handy is the ability to preview several different versions to see which one best fits your needs. It saves you the effort of starting from scratch and is incredibly convenient. This feature was already available for a little while, but I wanted to make sure to highlight it. And number 3 is also for Google Docs. A listen button has been added to the top of the document, which will read the text aloud to you in Gemini's incredibly natural-sounding voice.
Showcasing Japan's allure, a comprehensive report on attractions for international visitors won.
This is extremely efficient for reviewing long documents. As you can absorb the information by listening, you can now understand the contents of the document while commuting or doing other tasks. Number 4. Google Vids has made a groundbreaking leap. You can now open and edit video files stored in your Google Drive directly with Vids. All the previous hassle of downloading, uploading to an editing app, and so on is completely gone. You can start editing a video in your Drive with a single click. This level of seamless integration is world-changing for video production. It's truly revolutionary. Number 5. Google Calendar. Are you still manually sending potential times for one-on-one meetings? Google Calendar's appointment scheduling feature just got even easier to use. A new booking page item is now always visible in the left-hand panel of your calendar. From here, you can copy the link to your personal booking page with a single click and send it to anyone. Even for a quick short meeting, you can just send this link to get it scheduled. It has become incredibly simple. Number 6 is Google Chat. When you're busy and have a lot of unread messages, a Summarize What I've Missed button powered by Gemini will appear, allowing you to get a summary of the conversation.
Yes! Now I don't need to get lost with tons of messages.
Yeah, exactly. This will let you catch up on long discussions in an instant. Yes. Number 7. Google Slides. The AI image editing capabilities are becoming even more powerful. You will be able to select part of an image and give specific text commands like "make this person smile" or "change the background to a blue sky," and Gemini will adjust the image for you. This allows you to dramatically improve the quality of your presentation materials directly within Slides. This is truly amazing. And finally, Google Forms. When you are creating a survey, you can now simply enter the title or purpose of the form, and Gemini will suggest a list of relevant questions. For example, if you type employee satisfaction survey, it will list out potential questions for you.
I was taking so much time to create the questions, but now I have a powerful assistant.
Yes, Naruto. This looks like it will significantly reduce the time it takes to create forms. Alright, that's all for today. The evolution of Google Workspace never stops. If there was a feature that caught your eye, please give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Sayonara.